ねえ、秒速5センチなんだって。桜の花の落ちるスピード、秒速5センチメートル。
I guess I never knew the difference, but now I have something worth missing, wishing all the time for something more, something that I've never had before. But you're here to change my misconceptions and rewrite the type of love I should accept. And when the final page gets written down, it will be the way I feel for you right now. 'Cause somehow time freezes, hearts beating, and I'm the happiest because it's just the two of us. One thing you do is keep me guessing. Sometimes I swear we were pretending when we start the day and end the night, wanting to be by each other's side. It just feels right. Time freezes, hearts beating, and I'm the happiest because it's just the two of us. Time freezes, hearts beating, and I'm the happiest because it's just the two of us. And I'm the happiest because it's just the two of us.
うちの近くに大きな桜の木があって、春にはそこでも多分、花びらが秒速5センチで市場に降っています。
You're a picture, and every piece seems to fall into place. You're the moment when I know that I will never be the same. And every word that I could find in the corners of my mind will never be enough to let you know. This love is the best thing I have found. Like a garden bursting through the ground. Every hope brought to life. Every day I realize this love is the best thing I have found. You're the best thing I have found. We're an ocean, a gentle power that could never be contained. Moving softly, like the rain that falls and dances on the plains. And every word that I could find in the corners of my mind will never be enough to let you know. This love is the best thing I have found.
皆さんと一緒に春をやってきてくれれば良いのいって思います。